Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dreams on acoustic guitar. Start with the core chords. The song primarily uses G, D, M, and C. Focus on clear chord shapes and a consistent strumming pattern. A simple down, up works well. Practice transitioning smoothly between these four chords, aiming for a steady rhythm. This foundation is crucial for mastering the song. The main strumming pattern is a 4-beat cycle. Try a down, up motion, emphasizing the first and third downstrokes. This creates the song's signature feel. Focus on keeping a consistent tempo, perhaps using a metronome set to around 120 beats per minute. Rhythm is key to making Dreams sound authentic and engaging. Dreams follows a clear verse-chorus structure with a distinct bridge. Pay attention to how the dynamics shift. Strum a bit softer during the verses and build intensity for the chorus. The bridge offers a chance for a slightly different feel. Practicing these dynamic changes will bring your performance to life and capture the song's emotional depth. For a more nuanced sound, try fingerpicking the arpeggios of the chords. You can also place a capo on the 3rd fret to play in a different key, which might suit your vocal range better. Consistent practice, even just 15 to 20 minutes each day, will significantly improve your technique and confidence. Enjoy playing this timeless classic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.